Hey Arizona families! If you own a home in the Grand Canyon state, you know how wild our weather can get. From epic monsoon storms to wildfire risks, having solid homeowners insurance in Arizona isn't just a good idea, it's essential. But that doesn't mean you have to overpay. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 ways to lower your home insurance premium in Arizona without skimping on the coverage you need. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Bundle up and save. Did you know you can bundle your auto and home insurance policies and save around 14% a year? That's right. Many companies like Liberty Mutual reward you for keeping it all in the family. If you're not bundling yet, you're leaving money on the table. Tip 2. Increase your deductible. Here's a pro move. Raising your deductible to $2,000 can seriously shrink your annual premium. Just make sure you have that amount set aside in case you need to file a claim. It's a smart way to lower your bill without losing coverage. Tip 3. Keep your home updated. Insurance companies love a well-maintained home. If you've installed a new roof, upgraded your security system, or made other improvements, you could qualify for some pretty sweet discounts. Always let your insurer know about any upgrades. Don't be shy about asking what you qualify for. Tip 4. Shop around every year. Arizona premiums go up and down with the weather, rebuild costs, and even your zip code. So don't set it and forget it. Use tools like Rightsure's comparison platform to check your options every year. It takes a few minutes, but the savings can be huge. Tip 5. Choose the right agent. Having a local, independent broker like Rightsure with their famously friendly humans can make all the difference. Their Liberty Mutual experts know Arizona inside and out, so whether you live in a wildfire zone, have a high-value home, or want to customize your coverage, they'll help you get every discount you deserve. Quick recap. Bundle your policies, raise your deductible, keep your home in tip-top shape, compare quotes yearly, and work with an agent who's got your back. Simple, right? And remember, with Arizona's unique risks like wildfire and monsoon damage, it's worth reviewing your coverage regularly. Add-ons like sewer backup or enhanced wildfire protection can be real lifesavers. Need more info? Check out the links below for bundling savings and to request a custom quote from Rightsure, or visit Liberty Mutual's site. Ready to start saving on your Arizona home insurance? Hit that like button and subscribe for more smart tips. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.